Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video brings us to downtown Myrtle Beach, right here on Ocean Boulevard. We're going to be checking out the demolition of the Seahorn and the Seahawk resorts. I did have a previous video here where I kind of got close to it and walked around before they had actually started doing this. But I'm going to cross the road in just a minute and get a little bit of a closer look at piles of rubble, and I think that someone is actually here actively working on this at the moment, so we'll get to see a little bit of demolition action. So today's date is April 22nd, 2022. It's currently about 8:05 in the morning, and it's also probably about 69, 68 degrees, somewhere in there. Not sure of the time frame they're going to have this done, but the plan is to tear both of these down, and on the entire site they're going to build one big hotel. I think it has like 250 rooms in it, and it's some subsidiary of Hilton Hotels, and it's going to have a rooftop bar that can be rented, I think. And it will definitely match some of the other taller buildings around it a little better. One big pile of concrete and rebar. You can hear glass and things breaking. Not exactly sure what these guys are doing. They're kind of walking around with a trash can, picking up certain things and collecting. I don't know if it's types of metal or what. Pretty fascinating process. We got more piles back here towards the back too. Started to knock the top out of the smaller building. Looks like they kind of just went in between, picked the middle section. There's actually chairs on a couple of the balconies still. It's quite the mess. This is how it currently looks if you're standing on the beach. Get the pile was just beside of right there. And you got the buildings here. There's just a big chunk missing there, it looks like. And if you're wondering, this is, can't remember the name of this hotel right here. This one here is the Crown Reef. And then Damon's Restaurant is beside of it. And then the whole Springmate area is right there with the Springmate Pier. So this is pretty far down on the south end. Won't be too bad of a spot to build a new motel because it's not so far downtown to where all the noise and more things are happening at. Just a little bit quieter on the south end. Also wanted to point out that this is on 28th Avenue South. So that's the avenue. So just as I was walking off the beach, a big dump truck just pulled in right here, lining up to probably take a load of the rubble out of here. So we'll probably use the crane or this piece of equipment here to lift some of it off from there. Lift some of it and put it on the back of it to be removed from this area. That makes you wonder where they're going to take all this. It's going to be quite a big pile. All right, so that's going to do it for this video from the Seahawk and Seahorn demolition site. Just kind of got lucky with a long weekend trip and was able to see them actively knock some things down and push some rubble around, and got to see it before it was completely down. I probably won't do another video from here. This is kind of just an in the moment type thing, but just rode by and just thought it'd be worth sharing. If you enjoyed this video or like these type of videos, please give me a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing if you haven't. I'd greatly appreciate it if you could do either of those two things, which are totally free. So with all that being said, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.